What's up? Got the Yeezy SP1 in charcoal. Which one? This one right here. Check it out. Cool. Yeah, so this is like the Yeezy average whatever sweatpants. They're pretty warm. They are very large. I got a size 1, and yeah, they fit me huge. Here's a tag, made in USA. And here's the different style drawstring. That's not the same as the heather gray drawstrings. And from what I saw on the SP6 review, they maybe because I got these from Los Angeles Archive, not Yeezy.com. I don't know yet if the Yeezy.com sweats come with this style drawstring at all. I heard that maybe they have changed to the Heather Gray style or some other style when they were made in China versus the USA. So I don't know. I guess I got to buy a pair off of Yeezy.com and wait 6 months to get it in to really see the difference. Or someone in the comments can just let me know if the drawstrings are the same style or not. But yeah, size 1, I will leave my dimensions on screen, and I usually wear like a 34, maybe at most, or like a 33 and a half. And I usually wear pants that are about 32, no, 30 inches in length, 30 to 32 inches in length. These things fit absolutely massive. It's what I come to expect. It's why I buy all my Yeezy pants in a size 1, because if I get a size 2, it's going to be way too big and require a belt or something. These things fit huge. One other distinction is the color. And no, I'm not talking about chai. I'm talking about the color of the SP6 compared to the the SP1s. The SP6 is significantly darker than the SP1s. The SP1s is what I would call definitely a charcoal color, same as my Yeezy.com HD1 that I'm wearing right now, the exact same almost. And the SP1s are more of that jet black that we're all used to. But just know if you get the SP1s, they're going to be more of the charcoal Yeezy.com HD1 color and not like a pitch black. So that's one distinction to make there. And again, I should mention, I got the HD1. I think it was called the Heather Gray hoodie at the time I bought this, but it is the HD1 online. Maybe without the pockets. You know what? Maybe they're different models. Just know that this is the older release of the Yeezy hoodie, whatever they called it at the time, Gosha hoodie, and that's going to be the same color as this. Maybe not the Yeezy.com one, y'all. There are so many variations of all these damn products that it is nearly impossible to keep up with them. So apologies. But anyway, measurements. Yeah, so measurements. Excuse the dog. Hopefully y'all can see the whole length right here. Let me make sure y'all can. Yeah, y'all can. All right, sweet. Yeah, these are going to be really, really big dimensions, so get ready. We're looking at a solid 42 inches in length. We're looking at about, this is a horrible inseam measurement, as my measurements are quite rough. Looking at about 34 inseam. Leg width is 10 inches, almost a foot in leg length, leg length, whatever. And actually, circumference. I'll do circumference when I try it on, but I mean, it's going to be massive. Well, I could probably do a rough circumference right here. Let's try it out. Let me do a rough one. I'm expecting like 36 or something. Excuse me, Chai. I'm trying to do a really poor measurement right now. All right, we're looking at like 34. Yeah, that's like right at 34. All right, excuse dog. What else? Quality, I forgot to talk about quality. Quality is okay. Pretty solid. This is where the original tag, well, hold on. I thought that's where the original tag was because you can see on some of these products where there was obviously like a tag and then you can see like the tag that they did put on it. Because it is an LA apparel product. In LA apparel products, they will have their own tags. It's more obvious, I think, maybe here on the Heather Gray. I could have sworn there was like an area where you could see where they have the little tag at. I don't know. Maybe they don't do what I think they do. But anyway, quality. Quality's fine. I mean, the openings for the drawstring, well, the openings for the drawstring are actually reinforced. Would you look at that? Okay. I was about the I was about to taunt the quality of the drawstring opening right there, but actually it's pretty good. The waist is okay if you loose stitches, but I don't think it's anything to really worry about. The pockets on Yeezy pants are amazing, even if I don't agree with how some of them are shaped on the newer models, but the pockets are really solid here. You got the same material inside and out, so really consistent there. Really nice seam around the whole thing. Just really, really nice there. And then I think this is all like a three-piece. Oh, they got some shenanigans going on down here. I've never seen a seam like that before. Check that out. I mean, someone who's in textiles knows exactly what this is called, but like the crotch area on this is like stitched in a way I've never seen before. That's really interesting. That's definitely not the same as the SP6. You can see right there where it's just like one simple three connection points right there or whatever. Chai's doing his thing on that one. And at the end of the legs, really nice. Really nicely finished right there at the very bottom. I have it flipped inside out too. There's the outside. So quality product. How does it fit? Well, let me throw these Yeezy Gap baggies off and throw the SP1s on. And y'all can see. Size 1, I'm 5'11", 170 pounds. I like to wear 33 and a half, 30 pants. And I got a size 1 in these. I just gave y'all some overall dimensions and the circumference and all that. I'm going to throw the highest platform shoes I got on, which are not shoes, but the Yeezy YS1s. I'm going to back this camera up a bit. And hopefully I'm well in frame. But this is how they fit. They're absolutely massive. Pockets, plenty of room. Probably the roomiest pockets in any Yeezy pants I've ever worn in my life. I mean, they go all the way down to my knees. It's crazy how big these pockets are. These things are baggy. They are mega baggy. They're what I would call a size 3. And maybe some other Yeezy products probably, but these are a size 1. And yeah, this is how they fit. And let me do the waist thing. Yeah, that's me pulling all the way. That's definitely like a 40, maybe like 30, 39, 40 circumference that this could support. Yeah, these things are massive. They sag down a whole bunch, and yeah, really only my Yeezy slides, not in my SL2s, will keep these things from rubbing and dragging on the ground. I have to wear these things pretty high if I don't want them to drag, or I have to cuff them. How comfy are they? They are super comfy. Combine them with the YS, with not the YS ones. All these code names for your products, dude. Chai, what are you doing? You cannot eat the tape measure, dude. Here they are with the, what are these things called? Here they are with the SL1s. I think they look really cool with the SL1s, but you definitely must cuff them because they will, these pants will drag. You already see them dragging on the carpet right now. But yeah, they look fine with the SL2s as well. I think these will really shine with the SL3s though. I can't wait to get the SL3s. I think a lot of these baggy Yeezy pants will go really well with those. But I just got the SL1s and the YS1s in this video right now, so. But I mean, really comfortable, really stretchy. I mean, it's a fleece material. It's what you come to expect. It's like 20 degrees outside, and my legs don't get too cold while I'm out there for a little bit of time. During the summertime, these will definitely get hot. They're not very, they're a little bit breathable compared to Heather Gray and like all the other ones I've been wearing. But yeah, they're pretty warm. You should be fine in modest cold temperatures, but probably not negative temperatures. You may want to layer up with the SP6 on the inner layer, and then wear the SP1s as an outer layer. You know what? As an outer layer clothing for those negative degree temperatures, this would be really nice. Perfect, actually. And then pair it with some of the, I got the HD1 on right now, throw the JC2 on top of this, and you're all set for negative temperatures. You're all good. Totally. Anyway, but yeah, that's really all I gotta say about these. I mean, these are solid joggers or whatever for indoor stuff to be comfortable when you're working at home, like I do all the time. And yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with these, but 90% of people are going to get a size one if they want this to fit anywhere near normal. But just know that this thing fits super oversized. It's kind of how it's meant to fit. It is supposed to be like more loungewear than, a real fashion statement. But have been wearing it out a bit, wore it out in the rain, no problem at all. Haven't put it through the washer yet. I expect it to shrink a little bit, so maybe it'll fit me a little bit better after that. But anyway, thank you all for watching as always, and more soon. Bop, bop.